Assalamu alaikum. I would like to thank you everybody for joining us in our webinar. Today we'll have a webinar about the construction management with Dr. Ayman. Before we go ahead, we can get the help of Dr. Ismail to introduce or get our background about the Arab Canadian Engineering Association. Dr. Ismail, would you like to start, please?
Sure. Thank you, Dr. Mohandas Ala. Thank you, Engineer Ala. Highly appreciate the efforts to put this together. Thank you very much. I would like also to thank Dr. Ayman El-Mallah for his efforts and lots of time that he devoted for the association to help our members. Thank you, Dr. Ayman. Thanks, Engineer Ala. And welcome, everyone. I don't know how many people are in attendance now, but it's my pleasure to welcome all the attendees. Thank you for coming over and for attending. I want to give just a very short, I don't want to take the time of the presentation from Dr. Ayman, but I will be giving a kind of a very short, quick introduction about ACEA. ACEA stands for Arab Canadian Engineers Association, as you can understand. The association was established in 2009. And since then, the members are increasing. We moved from WhatsApp to Telegram in order just to accommodate the additional number, and we end up now in 2 places. But that's fine, as it is comfortable for everyone to be. The association, as you can imagine, was established in order to have a kind of a joint call for the Arab engineers. It's mainly to facilitate meetings, social gathering, and also to be able to have a kind of a lobbying group to work for everyone. So that's the main purpose of the association establishment at the time. And I guess we did a lot of efforts since then, and a lot of successful stories here. Among them is our coordination with Western University. Thanks to Dr. Ashraf Al-Damati there, we established this a long time ago, the 1 full year master's degree. That one was really a very successful program, and that was coordinated between the association and Western through Dr. Ashraf. That's one of our successful story. I guess too many of us and the members and even the non-members already graduated and now find their ways. The intention was to find a kind of a short path to access and penetrate the work market. And the other one, we have also in place what we call it the mentorship program. Mentorship program, that means whoever is a newcomer here, we can assign him together with one of the members who already is well established in his area of specialization, and they work together for a while and give him all the recommended advices and direction in order how to get into the market. We have also in the past several gathering for the groups. We had also something like we are doing today, but it was in person, thanks to Dr. Ayman El-Mallah at the time. And it was organized at Access Center, location on Queens Avenue. So too many things. Also, we are coordinating with them with a PO, and we are very strong voice towards eliminating the 1-year Canadian experience. I shared with the members communication I had with them. They acknowledged our communication, and they are considering. I know now the government is going the same direction to remove this barrier, because it's really, we don't see any justification for this. Now, I think it's becoming in a way submitted by the government now as a law, but it's not being finalized yet. But we expect this to happen, hopefully, in this year, provincial government, the new provincial government mandate. So as you can see, of course, there's no enough time to speak for everything, but I guess that's us, that we are the voice of the engineers, of the Arab engineers. And I believe if we really get together and we became a stronger voice, now they are considering our voice, even though we still like less than 300 members. And imagine if we are 500 or 1,000 or even 5,000. I guess there are enough engineers in Canada to really build a very strong group that can work and lobbying for the benefit of the engineers in Canada. I wish you all the best, and on behalf of the board, I convey best regards and best wishes to everyone in attendance today. Again, thanks to Engineer Ala and Dr. Ayman.
Thank you, Dr. Ismail, for your introduction. It's a nice one. Now we will go for our second webinar. We started a couple of webinars now to share knowledge between members here. Our first webinar was like 2 months ago was Engineer Omar. Now it's Dr. Ayman. Dr. Ayman is a PhD in engineering, and he's a construction professional for more than 30 years now. And he teach in Western and Fanshawe College as well. He had a lot of experience in the market as well, so he had hands-on experience as well.